Hello, I'm going to show you a fantastic curry that doesn't take long to make, it tastes fantastic, and best of all, it uses just a few ingredients that you've probably got lying around. Now I'm going to give you a link to the recipe version for this in this video as well. And the main ingredients are onions, so any onions that you've got lying around, just throw them in. Ginger, whether you've got fresh ginger, powdered ginger, even stem ginger from a jar, either works really well. And Thai fish sauce. That adds a beautiful depth of flavour to the curry. You can also add things such as fresh chilli, garlic in there is fantastic. If you've got a little bit of red pepper or courgette, anything like that to use up, that can also go into the main curry paste. And you just add these ingredients to a food processor, give it all a whiz up, add it to a pan and cook it out very gently with about 600 millilitres of water.
So I'm just bringing everything to a simmer and just let it cook very gently on a medium heat for about 20 minutes or so while you go off and do something else. And that will just give you a really nice reduced onion-based sauce with bags of flavour. Even more impressive because it's only got a few ingredients. And after it's reduced, it will go nice and pulpy and intensify the flavour. And at that stage, it's ready to add anything you want to it. So for example, some chicken thighs, some leftover meat from a roast if you've got any of that, some chickpeas, kidney beans, some lentils. Just pop it in, it will take it, and then just cook it through until the meat is cooked or any of the vegetables are warmed through. And you will have a fantastic, fantastic curry.
And that's all there is to this curry. Very simple, very tasty, and I hope you'll come back again and again and make this wonderful curry. I've put a link to the recipe in the box below.